Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the basics are in place: Unity Editor, Unity Hub, and Visual Studio Code. Install the C# extension in VS Code so the editor understands Unity scripts. In Unity, go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools, and choose Visual Studio Code as the external script editor. This tells Unity to open CS files in VS Code. Once done, double-click any script in the project window to open the solution. Make sure the SLN loads cleanly so IntelliSense can start indexing. Next, you generate and align the project files so VS Code and Unity speak the same language. In Unity's external tools, check all relevant boxes and click Regenerate Project Files so CSproj and SLN reflect your packages. Then install the debugger for Unity extension in VS Code. This provides the attached configuration. Once installed, open the workspace and add or edit VSCode/launch JSON to include an attached to Unity profile. This configuration lets you finally open the solution in VS Code, place breakpoints in your scripts, and choose the attached to Unity debug profile. Then switch Unity into play mode so the debugger can hit those breakpoints. Make sure to watch the debug panel for connection status and variable inspection. If things go wrong, regenerate the CSproj/SLN in Unity, confirm the C# extension and debugger for Unity are enabled, and check that the NET SDK matches Unity's requirements. This usually resolves missing IntelliSense or attach failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.